The ArcCI web app also contains a labeling tool for cropping and classifying images consistent with optimal use in deep learning. This labeling tool can be found under your username and then on the labeling tool option. This will then open your session. First, we could start by initializing a satellite image using this button. Once your image is open, you will notice that there is a small blue box in the upper left-hand corner. This box can be moved around by clicking on the image or by using the navigation scroll bars on the top left-hand corner. The contents of this blue box will then be displayed in the image classification window to the right of the full image. If the box is not blue, that means that it is not set to the optimal size of 256 by 256 pixels. In order to default it to that size, you can press this button and automatically adjust it. You can also adjust the sizing of it manually using the zoom scroll bar on the top right. Once we are happy with the position of the blue box, we can then press the crop image button in order to create a smaller image for a later classification. We can continue this process in order to create multiple cropped images. Once we have all the cropped images that we need, you can press Initialize Cropped Image in order to make the cropped images appear. From here, we can adjust the segmentation of the image using the Gauss sigma and also feature separation. With those adjusted, you can then begin clicking segments of the image and using the classification buttons in order to annotate the contents of each segment. You can also use the next segment button in order to automatically go to the next segment for classification. Once all the segments are classified, you can press the Save button in order to save all of the annotated segments and the data along with the image. You can continue this process for multiple images by using the arrows in order to switch between cropped images.